Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
What happens to gold in a recession? Let's talk about recessions. When markets go down, stocks can drop significantly, and investors often panic. But gold is different. Historically, gold's value actually rises during economic downturns as people look for a safer place to store their wealth. It's one of the few assets that's known for staying strong even when other investments struggle. So, while the stock market might be crashing, your gold IRA could be working to keep your retirement secure. With a recession potentially around the corner, it might be the perfect time to think about adding gold to your portfolio. Learn how to start with a gold IRA by seeing the link below the video or by visiting goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.